efficiency. While autonomous stores are still in the early stages of development, they have the potential to revolutionize the retail industry. Robotics in customer service. Robots can be used to provide a wide range of customer service functions, such as answering questions, providing product recommendations, and processing returns. By automating these functions, retailers can improve customer service while reducing labor costs. In addition, robots can work around the clock, providing 24/7 customer service. Supply chain optimization. AI can be used to optimize supply chain management, improving efficiency and reducing costs. By analyzing data on supplier performance, transportation costs, and inventory levels, AI algorithms can identify opportunities for improvement and make recommendations for more efficient supply chain management. As the development of robotics and artificial intelligence, AI, continues to accelerate, the retail industry is poised for even more transformative changes. Here are 5 additional ways in which robotics and AI will shape the future of retail. Personalization at scale. AI-powered personalization is already transforming the retail landscape, but the technology is still in its early stages. In the future, we can expect to see even more sophisticated algorithms that are capable of delivering hyper-targeted recommendations and experiences to individual shoppers. This will require retailers to collect and analyze more data on their customers, but the payoff will be increased loyalty, higher conversion rates, and greater customer lifetime value. Autonomous delivery. Autonomous delivery is an area where the potential benefits are enormous. By using drones, robots, and other automated vehicles, retailers can reduce delivery times, improve accuracy, and cut costs. While there are still regulatory and technical hurdles to overcome, the promise of autonomous delivery is driving significant investment in the space. Smarter inventory management. AI-powered inventory management is already improving efficiency and reducing waste, but the technology is set to become even more sophisticated in the years ahead. By combining data from multiple sources, including point-of-sale systems, supply chain partners, and weather forecasts, retailers will be able to optimize inventory levels and reduce stockouts. Even further, in-store navigation. As retailers continue to experiment with augmented reality and other technologies, we can expect to see more interactive in-store experiences that help shoppers find what they're looking for. For example, retailers could use AI-powered chatbots to guide shoppers to specific products or use AI to highlight items that are on sale. By making it easier for shoppers to navigate the store and find what they need, retailers can improve the overall shopping experience. Enhance fraud detection. As online shopping continues to grow in popularity, so too does the risk of fraud. AI-powered fraud detection systems are already in use, but the technology is set to become even more sophisticated in the years ahead. By analyzing data from multiple sources, including social media and browsing history, retailers can identify potential fraudsters before they have a chance to make a purchase. As robotics and artificial intelligence, AI, continue to advance, the retail industry will undergo even more significant transformations. Here are 5 additional ways in which robotics and AI will shape the future of retail. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants powered by AI will become more prevalent in the retail industry, providing customers with personalized assistance and recommendations. These assistants can answer customer queries, place orders, and provide product recommendations.